So I've been struggling to put out videos lately. One of the reasons for that is because I have such a strong aversion to the idea of putting out boring videos. But I had a moment of clarity because I realized that what is boring to me may not be boring to someone else. Much of my time recently has been spent cleaning and organizing, basically getting my life together, and I find that too boring to share. And yet, I enjoy watching other people's cleaning and organizing moments in life type videos. So, why, if I made such a video, would it be boring? Because it's me. I want to shift from that mindset if I can. I'm going to try posting more mundane moments of my life. So today I'm going to be organizing some costumes that belong to my mom and my sister. Some of them my mom made, and I will show you those and tell you if she made them or if I made them, because the rest of them I made for my siblings when I was a teenager. So that was a pretty fun experience. I haven't seen them in years, but I'm going to open them up. My mom packed them away nice and neat, and now I need to divide them up for each sister so they can take them home.
How do you get the current darn thing open?
Oh, there it is. Okay. One at a time, though. Oh my goodness. It's wrinkled. So wrinkled. Okay. So, ignore the wrinkles. This was a dress I made for my little sister when she was 9. Wow. She was 9. Most of these costumes are from a living history festival that we went to a few years in a row. Buttons right here. This is how it closes. So for each sister, I just asked her, what do you want me to make for you? We didn't really go off of patterns for anything except the undergarments. I just asked them what they wanted to wear, and so we designed something. For this dress, she picked it out of a book. I don't think I have that, but I think we got the book from the library. And she said she wanted something like the picture that was in the book. Look at that. Look at that lining. All of the fabric my mom purchased at $1 a yard from Walmart. Actually, I think it was a little less than $1 a yard because I think she got a 10% discount because she was working there at that time. Wow. It's just a polyester satin, but this doesn't feel like polyester satin in the store today, unfortunately. This was one of my favorite things to make. Let's see what else we have. All right, so this is for a different year, same sister. And this year, she said she wanted me to try to replicate the dress from our mutual friend that Bella wears, I think, after she gets married. The ribbon is so beautiful. I can't put any of these dresses on the dress form because it's too big, but I'll see if I can insert some pictures. This was another favorite. I might say that about all of them because it was really fun to design them with my sisters and make something individual to their hopes and then to just see them wear them. Really special. Sorry, I'm getting a little sentimental over here.
Upon further investigation, I discovered photographic proof that I did not make this dress all by myself. My sister, in fact, is pictured sewing the dress. We couldn't remember exactly how it all went, but between her, me, and my mom, we were able to piece together a patchwork memory that suggested that I made the pattern, and then she constructed the dress with my mom's assistance. So it was a collaborative effort.
Whose corset is this? I made corsets and hoop skirts for, I think I made corsets for all 4 of us, and then for my mom and all of us, I made hoop skirts. So I made a total of 5 hoop skirts. So this would go over the hoop. I also used a pattern for this, and I got really good at making these hoop skirts and corsets because it was just bam, bam, bam. The sister that I made this one for, she chose a dress from Gone with the Wind as her inspiration, and not one of the well-known dresses. I don't know if you'll recognize this one, but it's one that Scarlett wears for like maybe 2 minutes, so you can't really see a whole lot of it. It's really simple, but it's so pretty. So this year, one of my sisters and I decided we were not going to wear period accurate clothing. None of it was really technically period accurate, but it was as close as we could get with the budget that we had. We decided we were going to make dresses inspired by the costumes from M. Night Shyamalan's The Village. We took inspiration from Ivy's dress. I don't know if you can tell, but that is a pale pink cloth-covered buttons. Here's the back.
This was another dress I did not make all by myself. I helped my sister in figuring out the pattern, and then we constructed it together, which was awesome.
I do not have mine. I packed mine away quite a while back, but I will show you a picture of what mine looked like. All right, so for this sister, she had a music box and she wanted me to do my best to replicate the dress that was on her ballerina in the music box. And then the top, oh no, where's the top piece? Please tell me it's around here somewhere. It's gone? The top is gone. What? Felt like that was just like the coolest part, but oh well. So can't really tell what it looks like. I hope I can find a photo. Ooh, here's the back. I didn't want to add eyelets because I thought it would be nicer to have it be matching. So I made them by hand. So it's really simple, but you can see on the inside we've got buttons here. That's because I made a beautiful collar with trim on it so that she could attach it with loops, but then she could also take it off and have it be really simple. And it's missing. So that makes me sad. Well, let's go to the next year for the same sister. She wanted to wear Millie's dress from Seven Brides for Seven Brothers. I think it turned out pretty good. I haven't seen the movie in a very long time, so I can't say for sure if it looks very much like the dress, but I remember being very pleased with it at the time. I don't know how I'm going to tell which hoop belongs to who. To whom? I don't know. You ready? I really thought we put labels. Oh, there it is. I embroidered initials. Oop, two of them. Nice. I gotta make this shot wider. I am trying to get a good shot here, but I'm sorry. The room is such a wreck. It is really hard to find a place to put the tripod.
Woo! Not wearing a corset, so it's just not fitting super well.
Oh, okay, there we go. If you have never worn a hoop skirt and you have the opportunity, I highly recommend. I need to quit messing around. Okay, here we go. All right, so this is my mom's. We'll set that aside for her. Speaking of my mom, here's her dress. She made this rich, rusty brown sort of color, also $1 a yard fabric. All her cloth covered buttons. And then she also made this. Love it. Actually, I might have to borrow this come fall. Like, hold on. Does this fit me? I bet this doesn't fit me. Hey, that's pretty close. It fits. Okay, so Mom, I know you're gonna watch this video, so can I borrow this? Thanks for coming down memory lane with me. It was really fun to be able to see these costumes again after all this time. I'm just gonna box up all these costumes, label them with each sister's name, and they get to take them home. Okay, I do not think those boxes are big enough. I might have to get more boxes. Mission accomplished. I have each box for each sister. And for this sister, I just put it back into the bag because she is in the process of moving right now. And so she does not need any more to deal with. So just going to pack that away for her and give it to her sometime in the future. Okay, bye.